In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a Jinnah Airline ticket online. This is a step-by-step guide designed to make your booking experience smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a frequent traveler or booking for the first time, these simple instructions will have you ready to fly in no time. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to flyjinnah.com. This is the official website for Jinnah Airline, and it's your portal to booking your next trip with ease. Once the website loads, you'll notice a range of options to guide your travel discoveries. Here, you're going to click on the prominent section that says Fly Jinnah. This will direct you to a menu where you can input your travel specifics. Now it's time to enter the details of your journey. You'll want to fill in the fields provided with your departure and destination locations, desired travel dates, and the number of passengers. If you have a preference for a particular currency, there's an option to change it at this stage. It's important to double check these details to ensure that they match your trip's needs. Once everything looks good, click on the Book Now button to move forward. Next, you'll select your departing flight from the list of available options. Take a moment to consider the flight times and prices to pick the one that suits your schedule and budget the best. If you're booking a round-trip ticket, you'll also need to select a return flight. Both actions are straightforward as the website will guide you through each step with clear options and an intuitive interface. Once your flights are selected, click on Continue to Passenger Details. This is where you'll input the personal information for everyone traveling, including full names and any required identification details. Accuracy here is crucial, as errors could result in booking issues or complications during check-in. When your passenger details are entered, you'll have the chance to add any extras you might need for your flight. This could include checked baggage, meal preferences, or seating arrangements. These options ensure your travel is comfortable and tailored to your needs. Finally, it's time to proceed to payment. Click on the Pay and Confirm button to enter your payment information. This is the last step, so make sure all your entered information is correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, you'll receive a booking reference and a confirmation email. You're all set. Thanks for watching this guide on how to book a Jinnah Airline ticket online. We hope this process has been clear and helpful, setting you on the path to your next destination with ease. Safe travels!